The topic of today is how long will it take me to get started? How long will it take me? So, this does depend on how far you already are. Everybody is at a different step of the journey. Some people already have their equipment. Some people already have their voice trained. Some people already have an account or a demo. And some people, if not most people, are starting from scratch. So let's assume you're starting from scratch. One of the first things you want to do is start training and developing your voice. This is something that is an endless evolution. You never stop improving your voice, but you will make rapid progress in the first few weeks, especially if you're dedicated and deliberate with your training. Improving things like good enunciation, good flow, good expressiveness, good use of pauses, good use of speed. All of these are important factors that can make you record great voiceovers. So, all these things are important. They all come together. And so, after you're done training your voice, once you've got that going, you're going to need your equipment. So, you'd have to buy your mic, your sound treatment. So, that could take a couple days in the mail, and then you'd have to learn how to use it. So, learning how to use your equipment, the settings on your mic, how to speak into it correctly, how to actually put your booth together, all of this takes some time. Then, after that, you're going to want to download the audio software, and you're going to want to learn how to navigate that audio software. So, how to record, how to edit, how to take out mistakes, how to take out background music. That's a process, and everybody learns at different speeds. I will say this though, when I did this, I learned it all on my own. And that might not have been the best approach because when I started this, I didn't have tutorials or courses or YouTube videos like this to actually help me through it. So this was back in 2010, so it wasn't as much information. So I had to learn it through trial and error. Now you do have information. You do have myself and my content, and there's lots of resources that can help you through this. So definitely use the information that you can to speed up that process so you can actually learn how to record, how to edit at a professional level. And it might sound intimidating, but you'd be surprised how much you can learn if you just take it step by step at a time. You don't have to learn it all overnight. People say they get intimidated, but again, take it one piece at a time. Learn how to record. Then the next day, learn how to edit. Then the next day, learn how to take out background noise. One piece at a time. And then eventually, you're really good at recording voiceovers. So this can take, a couple of weeks, maybe a couple of months. You don't have to rush it. Every bit of progress is good progress. And you're always going to be improving. After that, you're going to want to start putting together your demo reel. So that means you're going to take some of your best work, some of your best recordings, and you're going to put that into your demo. You're going to mix in some music, and hopefully you're going to get some feedback. For those of you in my starter course, you can send that to me. But hopefully you can get some feedback on that, on how to improve. Then you're going to market that demo on the websites that I mentioned. Fiverr, for example, is one that I like to use. You're going to create a profile. You're going to make sure that your offer is good and strong. And then you're going to respond to customers, audition for projects. So all of this whole process really depends on you, on how quickly and efficient you are. But again, it is not a rush. So it could take anywhere from weeks to a couple of months. It really does depend on you, but it is worth it. And you're only going to get better. You're only going to grow and grow from there. So that's kind of the timeline that I can give you in general. It really does depend on the person, depends on how far along you are, how much free time you have to dedicate to this, and also if you're using the resources to help you. All of these factors play an important role in actually getting started recording voiceovers. And that is why I've put together a step-by-step starter course. So I've created an online course that walks you through this whole process from how to record using your microphone, how to put your booth together, how to train your voice to sound confident, how to edit and put your voice demo together so that you can start marketing yourself and putting that online to get the jobs. So if you'd like to check out that starter course, it is available in the description below. It is a one-time $27 for lifetime access. And you can also get a bonus guidebook, which goes into the jobs. Everyone always asks me about the jobs. So I made a guidebook that goes through the best websites, the best strategies to succeed, websites to avoid. I also talk about royalties, commercial rights, broadcast rights, everything you need to know to be successful recording voiceovers from home. So again, very affordable price, one time $27. Check that out in the link in my description. And we'll catch you in the next one.